Welcome back to the channel. My name is William Rivera. If you're new to the channel, I've been dropshipping for over 3 years, Amazon FBA, all that. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the top credit cards to use for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Okay. Now, I'm not a credit professional by any means. These are just the cards that I've used in the past. And from my experience, it seems to me like these are the best. Okay. So first card is the Amex Gold Business. Now, the reason why I love this card, and keep in mind, there's a picture of the personal card. The business one is going to say business under American Express. But anyways, the reason I like this card is because it gives you 4 times the points on 2 of your major categories. So if you are drop shipping, or if you're doing Amazon FBA, or if you own an agency and you run ads for clients, whatever it is, your main spending category is probably going to be Facebook ads. So you'll get 4 times the points on Facebook ads. Okay. And I've had stores where I'm literally spending, $5,000 a day in Facebook ads. So that's a lot of points. Okay. That's 20,000 points a day. So it's going to add up. Those points are going to add up quickly if you have a successful store that you're running, or if you're doing PPC marketing on Amazon, or if you're running ads for a client, right? So Amazon Gold Business is good for that. And your second highest spending category is probably going to be shipping too. If you're doing a lot of FBM as an Amazon seller where you're shipping things out yourself, or you have your own brand on Shopify and you're paying for shipping, this card is going to help you a lot with that as well. They also have good sign-up bonuses. I remember when I signed up, I got around 60,000 points for spending. I think I spent like $2,000 or $5,000, something like that. And I got 60,000 points, which is pretty cool. And the card also looks cool. It's made out of metal. So it's a pretty elegant, classy card to have, in my opinion. Now, the next one is the Chase Ink Business Preferred. So this card it's similar to the Amex Gold. It gives you 3 times the points on multiple categories like pay-per-click advertising, shipping. They also have an even better bonus. Right now, I think they're doing 100,000 points if you spend $15K within 3 months. And I know that might seem like a lot to spend, but again, if you're running a successful e-commerce business, you can easily spend that in advertising. Or if you don't have a successful e-commerce business right now, you can do manufactured spending, which is basically where you take your credit card and you go buy, or you take your cash and you go buy gift cards, and you use those same gift cards to pay off your credit card. That way you really don't lose money, and then you just gain the points, right? So that's what I would do if I were y'all and I didn't have a successful business going. So you can search manufacturer spending on YouTube and find out more about it. I found that out through my own research on YouTube and stuff. So, and this card also looks cool. So it's another benefit. Now, the next card is the Amex Plumb Business. It is actually one of my favorite cards, and I recommend this to a lot of Amazon sellers, especially Amazon sellers, okay, because they do net 60 payment terms, which means you can hold your balance for up to 60 days with 0% interest. And the reason it is good for Amazon sellers is because if you're doing wholesale, or even if you're doing private label, usually Amazon requires a lot more money than drop shipping, because you have to actually buy your inventory up front. Drop shipping, you don't have to buy any inventory, which is why you can have very, very low capital and be successful with it with low money. So Amazon, you're going to have to actually buy your inventory. Usually you're going to be spending like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 and up front. And if you don't have that, this Amex Plumb card is good because you're able to hold that balance for up to 60 days. And Amazon pays you out every 2 weeks. So you can use this to pay for your inventory, and then you should be able to sell your inventory within a month or 2 months to then pay off your card. Okay, so this is why I like it. And it's also 1.5% cash back unlimited. So that's another good benefit with this card. So just to summarize it, guys, Amex Gold Business, this is the card I use the most. I actually went to New York earlier this year, or actually it was late last year. I paid like $5 to go because I used most of my points to get there. Another good card, Chase Ink Business Preferred. This one, you have to keep in mind, Chase has a rule called the 5 by 24 rule, which means your first 5 credit cards, they have to be a Chase card within that 24-month period. So make sure that one of your first 5 cards is a Chase card. And if you want to learn more about that rule, don't quote me on anything I said. Like I said, I'm not a credit professional, but if you want to learn more about this rule, just go on Google and type in Chase 5/24 and you'll find out more. And then the last but not least, we just went over this, the Amex Plumb Business. Great card. It lets you pay off your card within 60 days. You don't have to pay it off in 30 days like the Amex Gold. And it's unlimited 1.5% cash back. So hope you guys found value in this video. If I have any referral links for these cards, I'll plug them in the description. If not, you can just Google the name of the cards and sign up. Hopefully right now there's a good sign up bonus for these cards. I know there is one for Chase Ink Preferred, but I'll catch you on the next video. If you found value in it, leave a like, comment if you have any questions. I answer all the questions in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you on the next video.